Guys, I just found a solution to a good way to replace that old burning bin, which is well and truly had its days now. But for 2 years that has. It's done good. You can hear it before you can see it. Now yeah, it looks a bit dodgy at the minute, but believe it or not, this is only to test it. So what we got? Obviously you got 12 volt power pack there, bench one that done that battery in. 12 volt server fan. Tin of baked beans, which is absolutely stone cold. And an oil drum, industrial one. And we've just cut the lid off, put some wire mesh in the bottom of it. And yeah, it's a good one. Look at it, man, look at it go. Glowing! Guys, this is just a prototype. I am going to completely rebuild this. I just wanted to get this going, have a nice little wood incinerator on the go. And I got someone looking at me in the window now. Yeah guys, I've only put a little bit on that. And it's a little grafter. Mini size. Feel free to copy, just please don't kill yourself. Like I say, I won't be held responsible. Guys, another update coming soon. See you later.